Hello everyone, welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. Today we're taking a look at the powerful Yamaha WR450F, a motorcycle built for riders who love adventure, speed and challenging off-road trails. Let's see what makes this machine so special. Aggressive design. The Yamaha WR450F features a race-inspired design with sharp bodywork, lightweight construction, and striking graphics. Its slim profile helps riders move freely while tackling rough terrain. Powerful engine. At the heart of the WR450F is a high-performance 450cc four-stroke engine. It delivers strong torque, quick acceleration, and smooth power across the rev range, making it perfect for trails, deserts, and enduro riding. Advanced technology. Yamaha equips the WR450F with advanced fuel injection, electric start, and rider-focused electronics. The bike is designed to provide excellent control and reliability in demanding conditions. Suspension and handling. The WR450F comes with premium, long travel suspension that absorbs bumps and jumps with ease. Its lightweight frame and precise handling give riders confidence on technical trails and high-speed sections. Off-road capability. Whether you're climbing rocky hills, crossing muddy tracks, or exploring forest trails, the Yamaha WR450F is built to handle it all. Its durability and performance make it a favorite among serious off-road enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Yamaha WR450F combines power technology and rugged capability into one exciting package. If you're looking for a high-performance off-road motorcycle, this Yamaha deserves a spot on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching.